In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Adobe InDesign. By the end, you'll know the cleanest, most reliable way to place text perfectly along a circular path, which is great for badges, logos, seals, or any layout that needs curved type. Start by opening Adobe InDesign and bringing up the document you want to work on. Make sure you can see the Tools panel, usually docked on the left. That's where we'll find everything we need. Next, head to the Shape tools. Right-click on the rectangle tool in the Tools panel. InDesign nests several shape tools together, so right-clicking reveals the hidden options. From that menu, choose the Ellipse tool. With the Ellipse tool active, add a circle on your page. Click and drag to draw the shape. If you want a perfect circle, hold the Shift key while dragging. For better visibility as you work, it can help if the shape has a visible stroke and no fill, so the path is easy to see. You can position the circle wherever your design needs the curved text to live and size it roughly to the final diameter you have in mind. Now switch to the Type tools. Right and click on the Type tool in the Tools panel to reveal more options and select Type on a path. This tool tells InDesign that you want your text to follow an existing path instead of sitting in a rectangular text frame. Move your cursor directly over the circle's outline. When you're exactly on the path, your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to type on it. Click once on the circle's line to set the insertion point. Go ahead and enter your sample text. As you type, the characters automatically follow the curve of the circle. You can use your regular formatting controls, font, size, weight, tracking, and color, to style the text so it fits and looks balanced. If the text seems too tight or too loose around the curve, small adjustments to size and tracking usually solve it quickly. If your text doesn't appear where you expect, it's often just a matter of where you clicked on the path. Keep typing to see the flow, then refine the circle's size or position as needed. That's the complete process. Open InDesign, draw a circle with the Ellipse tool, choose Type on a path, click the circle's outline, and type your text. With these essentials in place, you can confidently create curved labels, seals, and titles that look polished and professional.